Hi everyone, my name is Caritha and welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today I'm going to be doing a water marble, something I haven't done in a while, so stay tuned and let's get started. I'm starting off with white as my base color, and this is Wet n Wild Megalast in the color Whipped Topping. I did 2 coats of the white. I did the second coat off camera, and I forgot to show y'all the base coat that I used, so I'm going to show y'all that real quick. It's Orly Bonder, and then the top coat I use is Seche Vite, and I'm applying that over top of the white. The colors I'm using for the water marble are O.P.I Show Us Your Tips and Color Secrets Little Miss Sunshine. For this step, I'm just dripping the polish in the water. These polishes are kind of sheer and thin, so when you're working with sheer colors, white polishes are your best friend, so that's why I have on the white as my base color. I did 2 drops of each color, and you can use any combination or any colors, any number of drops that you are comfortable with, because water marbling can get complicated. But yeah, now so I'm just drawing through the polishes with an orange stick just to create a pattern, and then I'm going to dip my nails into the water to put that pattern onto my nail. When you dip your nail, of course you're going to get the excess polish on your finger, so I like to use tape as a skin barrier, but you can use whatever type of barrier you prefer. Moving on to the next nail, how I apply my tape is that I use 2 strips. I use 1 strip to go along the sides of my nails, and I fold the back of it closed. You can leave it open if you prefer, but I just prefer to leave it closed because I like to be able to lay my hand down flat on my desk, on my working area. And then the second strip of tape goes at the bottom of my nail alongside the cuticle. The surface of the water can get dirty with polish residue, which makes it hard for the polish to spread as you're doing your nails. So the ways to fix that is to just drop 1 or 2 drips of polish in the water and then spread it out. Move your orange stick around the outside of those drops to help spread it out to the sides of the cup. Blow on it or sit and let it dry on its own, and then pick up the invisible sheet or shield of film of polish on top of the water, and then it'll pick up all the residue that's on the surface of the water. This time around I tried to zoom in a little closer, but ended up being a little too close. And then Yeah, I didn't know the camera had got blurry. You can reposition your design by turning the cup around before you dip your finger. You have to clean the surface of the water before pulling your nail out, and I like to just use a Q-tip. Please do subscribe if you like this video, and head over to my Instagram for more pictures. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.